Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to use Insta filter on your phone. So here I already have my Instagram account open on my device, and then for the next step we're gonna do is just go into the story section. To open the story sections, we can do two ways. So for the first way is just click the plus button this in the side, or we can do it like easily by just scrolling the screen into the left side. And then after we are going into the story sections, the first looks is gonna be like white button circles like this for the natural effect for the camera. But if you want to have some effect, you can just click or scroll, and there's a left or right, just adjusting until the effect or the filter that Instagram have move into the middle side. After it's being in the middle, you just can click the button, and now the story is already captured and ready to upload. And how to upload it, just click to the side your story, and now you're done. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe.